Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this Xiaomi 12X smartphone, and in this video we are going to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on your device. So in order to do that, you need to have some stable internet connection. Go to the Play Store, type Opera, and here you'll have this Opera browser as the first result of your search. Just press on install. Alright, so as we can see, the browser has been successfully downloaded and now installed as well. So we'll just go ahead and open it. It will ask you to do some basic stuff to gain it some necessary permissions. So you'll just go ahead and do that. Also, at the first launch of this app, it will ask you to enable or disable some options. So in this case, I'll enable the ad blocking, enable my protect my privacy, and actually I'll go ahead and skip the default browser setup, allow them to get the diagnostic data, and here we go. Now we finished the Opera browser setup. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.